All right, everyone, today you get to do 5 minutes of crunches. 5 minutes. Think of everything you can accomplish in 5 minutes, right? You can accomplish a lot of crunches, so let's go. Lie back. Ready? You're gonna crunch. So, hands at the base of the neck, elbows wide, chin up. Think of squeezing your ribs down toward your hips, right? Belly button in. I'll shake it up, but we are gonna crunch it out for 5 minutes. That's it, so you're gonna lift. So lift and lower, lift and lower. Up, drop, lift. Good, are you breathing? Let's do a few more like this. So this is your basic crunch, Exhale, inhale. Try not to pull on your neck. If your neck is getting tight, I want you to put your hand on your belly button. Think about contracting your abs. Make your abs do the work, okay? Small movement. Lift. Okay, we're gonna do 4 more here. 4, 3, 2. Okay, 3 up, 1 down. I want you to lift, 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 and lower. 3, 2, 1, and lower. Can you get high, higher, highest, down? 4 more, like that. 3, 2, 1, and down. Come on, 3, 2, 1, and down. 3, 2. That's it. So guess what you get to do now? Reverse that. Go up, 3 down. Yeah, there you go. So you lift, lower, lower, and down. Lift up, lower, lower, and down. Lift, lower. 4 more, let's go. Up, lower. Good. Up, lower. 2 more. Lift. Okay, so our next variation, I want you to bring your feet up, 90-degree bend at the knees. So just crunch for a second. Make sure your knees are right over your hips, okay? If you bring your knees in past your hips, you're sort of cheating, so don't do it. Knees right over the hips, 90 degrees, lift. Now, as you lift here, lift. I want you to extend one leg out as you lift. Ready? You go. Leg back to 90. Leg back to 90. Good. That should be giving you a little more of a push. Out to 90. Out to 90. Come on. Go. Lift. Lift. Feeling it? Okay, hold at 90. So we're still here. Try bringing your hands straight up behind your head. Neck and arms relaxed, chin lifted. If that feels like too much, you can bring your hands back down. Lift, okay? Keep your arms up. Try 8 more here. 8, 7, 6, 5. Go 4, 3, 2. Okay, new move, reverse crunch. So I want your legs to come straight up. Flex your feet. Think about lifting your hips up off the ground, stamping your feet to the ceiling. Stamp your feet up. Stamp your feet up. Good. Now, you can leave your head on the mat for a second, or the floor, while you just focus on that lift. Stamp your feet up. Lower abdominals. Up. Up. Lift. Okay, if you want to, add that upper body. So you crunch. Lift, crunch, lift. That's it. You're doing good. We're almost there. We have about a minute left. Yes? Is that good news or bad news? I think it's good news. Okay, watch. I'm going to take my legs up, drop 1. Both legs, drop 1. Both legs, drop 1. Yeah, you got it. Up and drop. And drop. Stay with this. 8 more. Lift. Lift. Up. Okay, you're gonna have 1 more challenge here. 4, 3, 2. I'm gonna take both legs to the ceiling and to the wall. So I'm gonna go ceiling, wall, ceiling, wall. If that's too much, you can just hold the crunch. Ceiling, wall, up, out, lift. Come on, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and boom, you are there. Now you can just take a nice stretch. 5 minutes of crunches, nice job.